Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 high performance power plant missing. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all, in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator privileges. After opening that, first of all, copy the first command. It's available into the video description. So copy from video description, edit, click on paste and enter. After doing this step, the high performance power plan is added. Type exit and exit the command prompt. After doing this step, in the search box, type edit power plan, open edit power plan, go to your power options, and now you can see data show hidden plans. Now you can see the high performance. So select it, change power plan settings, and change it according to your need. Close it. If you want to remove it, then you can go to your search and open a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this step, copy the second command. It's available into the video description and paste it and press enter. After doing this step, the high performance power plan is removed. So after this, close it, open an edit power plan, go to your power options, and now you can see data additional. Now you can see the high performance plan is so this is a way. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.